Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and at the very top you can see your power button. Click on it and then hold power off. As you can see, when you do that, it changes into safe mode, so we're just going to tap on it now once more, and this will reboot the device and boot it into safe mode. Now, as you can see, we are now in safe mode. You can see it right here at the bottom, and when we unlock the device, you will be able to see several applications that just no longer work in this mode. So, as you can see, app disabled. Typically, they look a little bit different, monochrome, but it looks like Samsung decided to change it up, I think. But in any case, most of these applications don't work right here because they get installed while you go through the setup when you're forced to connect to the network. These are not the default Android applications, therefore they don't work here, and that's kind of how safe mode works. It disables any kind of application that was installed that isn't default Android one. So any app that comes straight up installed with the device that doesn't need internet to be downloaded, that will work fine. Anything that needed internet to be downloaded, now that is considered a kind of like a third-party app, and it will no longer work in this mode. Now once you're done with this mode, you can leave it by finding the power button once more and selecting this time around restart. The device will reboot, and when it boots back up, it automatically will enter normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.